Hey, good morning out there. How are you? How are you? How are you? It's Wednesday, March 6th, and today we have a very special shout out on the books. And Kathy and I want to wish our Auntie Peggy Conway, she's celebrating birthday number 94 today. 94 years old. 94 years young in Peggy's case, for sure. And Kathy and I both want to say happy birthday, Peg. We love you. We miss you terribly. And we will get to see you this summer when all the weddings take place. And sure hope you're doing good and that life is treating you fine. And happy birthday. Can't believe, man, 94. That's crazy, Peg. So celebrate wisely. Have some champagne. Have maybe a mimosa. Who knows? I'm sure you'll be having a cocktail of some kind, and you'll be partying down with your kids. And so happy birthday to you. And for the song today, I'd like to do this one especially for Peggy. This song comes from 1933. It was written by Harold Arlen and Ted Koehler. Harold Arlen being the guy who wrote all the Wizard of Oz tunes. He wrote with many different lyricists, not many, but a few. Johnny Mercer, Ted Koehler, to name a couple. And just a classic songwriter from that era. Obviously, this one's written in 33, but I'm sure Peggy heard it a lot in her formative years and her years with Joe. And so I thought it'd be a good one to do. It was originally recorded in 33 by Ethel Waters, who sang it at the Cotton Club, and it was kind of one of her signature tunes. Then Lena Horne, she recorded it in 41 and recorded it 5 more times, and kind of became her signature tune as well. Frank Sinatra did it, Ella Fitzgerald, Billie Holiday, Etta James, Joni Mitchell, Judy Garland, Tony Bennett, Willie Nelson, on down the list. It's been recorded many times by many people. So this one's for Peg, Stormy Weather. I don't know why there's no sun up in the sky, stormy weather. Since my gal and I ain't together, oh, it keeps raining all the time. And life is bare, gloom and misery everywhere, stormy weather. Just can't get my poor self together. Oh, I'm weary all the time. Oh, so weary all the time. When she went away, blues walked in and met me. Yeah, if she stays away, old rocking chair's gonna get me. All I do is pray the Lord above will let me walk in the sun once more. Can't go on. Everything I had is gone, stormy weather. Since my gal and I ain't together, Oh, it keeps raining all the time. When she went away, blues walked in and met me. If she stays away, oh, rocking chair's gonna get me. All I do is pray, Lord above will let me walk in the sun once more. I can't go on. Everything I had is gone. Stormy weather. Since my gal and I ain't together, oh, it keeps raining all the time. Oh, raining all the time. It keeps raining all the time. That's Stormy Weather. Happy birthday, Peg. We love you. And that is it for the day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe and keep on the sunny side. Bye-bye.